20 diligent and compliant taxpayers.
Mwaka uyu igoti nirongererekire na gicunjĩ gĩa 11 harĩ igana rĩkĩringithanio na mwaka muthiru. Mwaka muthiru thirikari yarogotire ciringi tiririoni 1.3 na mwaka uyu yarogotire tiririoni 1.58. President Uhuru Kenyatta niahete mukana honge cia thirikari iria itarihaga igoti ona thengia ya kurenga aruti wira ao mishara.
Alafu kuna MD wa parastatal ama university na amekata pesa ya mwananchi wa kawaida ambaye anafagia ofisi yake. And then they don't remit that money. So that person has stolen from two people. First and foremost, you've stolen from the government. Secondly, you have stolen from a poor innocent individual who has already been deducted their fees. My friends, let those ones be the first kuingia pale.
No iritajire mo ya kunyihia mieke ya gukinyia aria maregete kuriha igoti uria kwagiriire igoti-ini. President ni oritie ruhonge rwa Akiaria kunanagira njung'wa na gubanga uria aria matarihite magoti mekuriha.
Kuna haja ya kutesa mtu ambaye amefanya makosa. Kama amefanya makosa kidogo na hakuwa amefanya kwa sababu alikuwa na nia ya kuiba, jameni, ketini muongee, musuluhishe na tuendelee mbele.
President ni eranĩire ati thirikari ni kugacirithia riera ria biacara niguo onjoria mahote nginya kugura biacara mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja hatari mikana. No na kuri o uguo ni amenereirie aria mahuthagira iturwa ciao thirikari ni gwithema kuriha igoti, akimera thikũ ciao ni ndari na ati thirikari ni yambikite mitaratara na ataramu a kuhithuria aria methemaga kuriha magoti.
DG, jameni, ketini na wao kama pre-shipment imelete shida, haja yako ni kucollect ushuru. Find another way, but make it easy for them to do business. Yeah? Make it easy. Yeah? For them. To get it to musijali. Because the more we facilitate people to do business, the more we allow people to engage in proper business practices, the more we allow them to engage us, I promise you, the more taxes we shall collect from these good people. Yeah?
Handu-ini hake munini wa president ni agathiririe aria marutaga igoti meendeire ona thengia ya muturire kurituha.
The paying of taxes by all of us is not an option. It is not something we choose. It is something we must do if we have to secure our independence and our democracy. I want to congratulate the board, Treasury and the board for the good job they are doing.
Oho ni augite mbeca iria andu marihaga igoti ni cihuthiragwo ni thirikari gukinyeria muingi motungata ma bata na gukinyeneria ciraniro ciao kuri muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Bio wa Wambui.